Hello YouTube!
And welcome to our channel.
So recently we did an interview with one of our amazing friends Jasraj, which by the way you can see if you click on the link right here, and we're going to also post a link to it down in the description below.
So in this video we'll talk about how hackathons transformed Jasraj's life as a developer and as a computer science student, and it can do the same thing for you. Apart from being just an amazing person, Jasraj is also an amazing developer and he has experience in working with big companies like Amazon. So without wasting any more time, let's hear what Jasraj has to say.
So there's a thing here called Hackathon in Canada and US, and we've been to two hackathons.
Yeah, we have been to two or three hackathons together, but
yes. So I would like to know how was your experience? And
because this guy took it really seriously. He actually went to, I guess, I don't know how many. I don't want to put a number, but maybe 10 or 20 hackathons in a couple of months. Like you went crazy on it.
Yes.
I don't think so. They were 20 or so, but definitely close to 10 or something. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what was the driving force behind you going to so many hackathons? Because we went to some and then we stopped.
Yeah, but it was a great experience.
It was a great experience for us as well.
Yeah. When you're studying in university, if you want to learn new things or experience things, so hackathons are a great way to learn new things. Also a great way to travel as well, right? Because
at some
hackathons they don't even maybe they reimburse you or they arrange a bus or something. I think we went from Montreal to London, Ontario.
Was that your first hackathon?
We didn't pay anything. Was that my? I think so.
Yeah, because
that was the first one.
Yeah, it was such a great experience. The university paid for everything. They paid for our transport. Yeah. It was a great experience over there. It was Western University. The name was Western University, I guess. University. But it was so good, and then they give you the food. I remember it was just so good.
Yeah,
and so many companies were there. So many workshops.
Yes,
we built a project together. Actually, 3 of us were in the same team.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kritika was working in the front end. I worked on Python, maybe for the KNN algorithm, and you were the software architect for us. you actually connected everything, and
we still have that project. I think on GitHub.
It's hosted on GitHub.
I'm gonna throw in a screenshot.
Yeah.
It's so exciting. Yeah, I remember.
I also remember throwing in a picture of all 3 of us and that hackathon.
Yes, I will. So my question was, apart from the food, what else did you like in the hackathons, overall?
Yeah. So as you mentioned, you get to eat free food, which is always a good plus. So why wouldn't you like free food? Yeah. So apart from the food, I think you get to interact with other people as well, learn about what projects they are doing, what new technologies they are working with. You just get to learn and grow, right? Mm-hmm. And also if you want a job, also there are companies there who are trying to
basically sponsors of the hackathon,
who are basically sponsors of the hackathon, and they can pick candidates to interview there as well. I think I interviewed I got an interview with one company in Montreal because of a hackathon as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So when you go to a hackathon, a word of advice for you would be take your resumes with you.
take your resumes, share your LinkedIn IDs with those representatives of the companies, build your network on LinkedIn. Building LinkedIn network is really important here.
Yeah, I remember that you once said that you have been to so many hackathons that now you are meeting the same recruiters everywhere you go.
Yeah.
So thank you for your time, and I hope you found some value in this video, and I hope you start going to hackathons now.
And according to our Google Analytics, 90% of you guys are not subscribed yet. So what the hell are you doing with your life? Hit the subscribe button, and until next time.